All right, so I had did these extended studs, these ARP ones, like 3 or 4 years ago, I'd want to say. And like I said in the other video, these Muteki lug nuts, they're just shitty. Unless I bought fake ones, but honestly, if you're gonna be, you know, taking your wheels off a lot and, you know, adjusting stuff, I would say don't buy these. Buy steel ones. Buy like really good ones. These right here, these are all fine. Like I could just turn them on by hand. That's how it should be. But this one here, this one down here, was a pain in the ass to get this shit off of there. Like this won't even go on. You see how hard that is? I can't get it any further than that. So I think what happened was the inside of this kind of got, like, I think from like the heat or just like forcing it on there, it kind of just, the aluminum got like stuck in there. I don't know if you could see that. It's like right there, like 1, 2, 3, like the 3rd and 4th thread. It's just like stuck in there, I think. But I have more studs because I did replace my my front ones because those are all ruined. And I kind of mentioned how I got ruined in the video, in my other video. But yeah, I'm gonna have to swap this one out. So while I'm doing that, I might as well show you guys how I got these in. So I'm gonna just be changing this one, and all these are fine. So just this one here. So show you guys how I did that. So you want to pretty much take this bracket here, take these off. So it's 2 bolts in the back. You want to get that off. You want to get the rotor off too. You want to get that off. So let's just start with that. Oh, harbor freight, guys. Save yourself like the headache of trying to use like a regular. I mean, use what you have. Like, I agree. Like, whatever you have, that's what you have. But I mean, I think it was like $7.99 plus your 20% off, whatever. So you know, you got your little kit here. You got your different attachments here. You got, I think it brings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 attachments. And you just keep it all in here, keep it in your car. So yeah, just buy that. Then you got your e-brake. You're gonna have a clip right here. You want to pop that out with a flathead, and then just push out your push this out. So it's pretty simple. You'll have this e-brake slides in through there, right here, slides in through the here. So you want to slide that out, unclip it. Well, unclip it from here, slide that out so you can get to the bottom bolt, the bottom 14. So pretty much once you get those off, this is gonna want to pop out. This should slide right off. Make sure you guys don't drop it. I'll just place it over there. And don't go pumping your brakes or playing around with that, because you want to slide that right back on. Hopefully it slides right back on. It'll just be less work in the future. So you're left with this. So what you want to do, rotate this, and you want to bang that one out. That's the fucked up one. And I'm not sure if yeah, so you see how I did this? Mind you, I did this a couple years ago, I think like 4 years ago. But this shield right here, because I don't really remember, but I think I flattened or I cut this right here. You do whatever you have to do to get that clearance. So not a lot, just a little bit right here, just for you to get your extended studs out. So let me do that, and then I'll get back to you guys. So you do that for all these. So the back ones are pretty easy, but the front ones are just a fucking pain in the ass. Back ones are pretty easy, but the fronts, man, I'm telling you, I don't even know. I don't even recommend it. All right, so we got all that off. I knocked one out already, but this is what you guys want. This is the number for what you need. 17712. All right, so pretty much you put that one on, right? I start it by tapping it in. I tap it in and I try to just start it, get it started so it starts off straight. And then I grab like a socket. I think this one's 7/8 and it's a 1/2 inch one. And I kind of just place it in like that. And then you grab one of your locks from your wheels and you put that there. Now, I know you're saying this is gonna spin. So you put your like a breaker bar. I just grabbed the one from the jack. I kind of place it like that. See if I can show you guys against the ground. So you kind of just place that there to hold it, 3/4, and you just start tightening it. And that's how you press them in. If you're not gonna take this off the wheels, if you're not gonna take this whole assembly out and bring it somewhere to get pressed, you press it like this. And you just keep going until until you feel that it's tight. All right, so that's not gonna go anymore. We're good. So you want to flip this. Like that. I'll back this out, and that's it. You should want to see, let me show you guys. You want to see it flush on this side, on the other side, where my finger is. You want that flush on that side. So the other ones are good. I'm just gonna replace those that are damaged. Yeah, so hopefully that helped everybody out. Clear some questions up about the stainless studs on the back for the RSX. If you guys haven't seen my other videos and you haven't subscribed, try subscribing. I'm gonna have videos up maybe like twice a week, because it takes me a while to edit. I'm still getting used to it, and I'm actually doing all this from my iPhone. I got my stand right there, and it's all about editing, guys. Like, you see all these people with all these fancy cameras and all that. You don't really need any of that. All you need is to edit your videos right and put up the quality on your iPhone. So if you go into your settings for your camera, it'll by default it'll be on, I think it'll be on 1080 or 720, and you want to up that. You want to go up to I think it goes up to 4K 60 frames per second. You want to set it to that, set it to the highest setting, and that's how you get more quality footage off of the iPhone. I think the iPhone X and the XS. So I got the XS, and yeah, just buy yourself a tripod, and that's it, guys. Subscribe, and all I can say is that just use what you have, guys. So all you have is ratchets and regular tools that you bought at Home Depot, and they're not Snap-on. Just use what you have. I pretty much did this whole car with no power tools. I think I had a drill, a cutoff wheel, a grinder. What else did I have? And pretty much just this tool set right here. And I pretty much did this car like that. I mean, I did pick up some other parts along the way. But yeah, just use what you have, guys. You don't need like the fanciest tools to get this all done. You could just use what you have, make the best of it. I mean, you might have friends that have parts, and they'll help you out. Have them come over. But yeah, talk to you guys next time.